The WHOOSH High-Speed Railway Expansion Phase 2 represents one of the most ambitious and transformative infrastructure developments in the modern history of Indonesia. Designed to extend the success of the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed line, Phase 2 is planned to continue the route from Bandung towards Kertajati Airport, then further east across key cities such as Cirebon, Purwokerto, Solo, and finally reaching Surabaya. This project, expected to progress significantly around 2026 and beyond, symbolizes more than just train tracks and modern stations. It reflects the vision of Indonesia to connect its vast islands, reduce travel times dramatically, boost economic activities, enhance tourism, and position the country as a rising technological powerhouse in Southeast Asia. WHOOSH itself stands for Waktu Hemat, Operasi Optimal, System Hebat, which translates to save time, optimal operation, excellent system. The name captures the essence of this high-speed rail project: efficiency, innovation, and world-class modernization. The Phase 1 route, linking Jakarta and Bandung, has already proven the potential of this high-speed railway system. Trains traveling at speeds up to 350 km per hour have shortened journeys that once took more than 3 hours down to just around 36 to 45 minutes. The experience is smooth, comfortable, and futuristic, offering a new standard of public transportation. Riding WHOOSH is not simply travel, it is a demonstration of progress. The continuation of this system in Phase 2 aims to deliver similar advancements across the island of Java, one of the most populated and economically active regions in Indonesia. Millions of people travel daily between major cities such as Bandung, Cirebon, and Surabaya. Before high-speed rail, travel often involved long hours by conventional train, car, or bus, which were affected by traffic congestion and unpredictable delays. Phase 2 is set to change that entirely. One of the most notable features of Phase 2 is its strategic integration with Kertajati International Airport in Majalengka. Currently, the airport has enormous potential but faces limitations due to accessibility challenges. With WHOOSH Phase 2, passengers will be able to travel from Bandung to Kertajati Airport in approximately 25 minutes, compared to the current travel time of nearly 2 hours by road. This improvement will transform Kertajati Airport into a major aviation gateway, encouraging domestic flights, tourism expansion, and international connectivity. A high-speed railway linked directly to a large airport gives Indonesia a competitive advantage similar to major transport systems in Japan, China, and Europe. The extension will also greatly reduce travel time across Java. A trip from Bandung to Surabaya, which currently takes around 8 to 10 hours by conventional transport, will be reduced to approximately 3.5 hours with WHOOSH Phase 2. This incredible time reduction does not just benefit travelers, it changes how businesses function, how logistics move, and how families connect. Cities that once felt distant will now be within practical reach. This connectivity encourages urban development, attracts investment, supports property growth near stations, and opens new business markets. The psychological distance between regions becomes smaller, creating a more unified national identity. WHOOSH trains are specifically designed for high-speed performance and safety. The trains feature aerodynamic shaping, a streamlined nose, and lightweight but strong materials. They operate quietly even at high speeds, providing a comfortable experience for passengers. Inside, the seating is spacious, the cabin lighting is warm and modern, and the ride is smooth, thanks to advanced suspension systems. The interior reflects a clean and elegant aesthetic, with large windows allowing travelers to enjoy scenic landscapes of West and Central Java. The train cabins are also technologically equipped with charging ports, digital information screens, stable climate control, and high-quality comfort seating, all signs of a future-focused national transportation system. Phase 2 also involves the construction and modernization of multiple new stations, each designed to serve as economic and cultural hubs. Stations such as the future Cirebon high-speed hub and Purwokerto transit terminal will not simply function as passenger stops, they will become centers of tourism, commerce, and regional business development. Modern architecture, digital ticketing systems, accessibility support for all passengers, and integrated public transport links are all core parts of the design plan. These stations will be landmarks representing Indonesia's journey into a new era of smart mobility. The expansion also symbolizes the strengthening of Indonesia's engineering and manufacturing capabilities. During the construction and assembly phases, local engineers and technicians gain valuable experience in large-scale modern railway technology. Factories involved in building frame structures, electrical systems, and mechanical components benefit from knowledge transfer partnerships. Over time, this leads to independent domestic technological capability, allowing Indonesia to produce, maintain, and expand railway systems with greater national expertise. This is not just an infrastructure project, it is a long-term investment in technological development and human skill. The WHOOSH Phase 2 expansion also carries cultural meaning. It connects regions rich with heritage, from the cultural heart of Bandung to the historic coastal city of Cirebon, from the artistic soul of Solo to the trade and industry center of Surabaya. Connecting these cities through high-speed rail encourages inter-regional cultural exchange, tourism, and shared identity. Indonesians from different backgrounds will travel more easily, interact more frequently, and engage more deeply in the nation's cultural diversity. Looking ahead, the benefits of the WHOOSH expansion will grow year by year. Travel patterns will evolve, business supply chains will accelerate, and city development will expand around new stations. Tourism destinations such as Bandung's mountains, Cirebon's historical palaces, and Surabaya's coastal attractions will become more accessible. The project marks a milestone in Indonesia's long-term transportation strategy, aligning with the national vision for 2045, a future where Indonesia stands as a strong, advanced, and globally respected country. In summary, the WHOOSH High-Speed Railway Expansion Phase 2 is not just about trains and tracks. It is a symbol of progress, unity, innovation, and national pride. It shortens travel time, strengthens the economy, modernizes infrastructure, empowers technology, increases tourism, and connects millions of people together. It is a journey toward a better future, fast, modern, and inspiring.